tasty yesterday. I'm out here for public crew, doing a bike check, 2013. Kyle from publicrewbmx. This is my bike. As you can see, I'm running the Colt Ruster half-link chain. Pretty tasty. Got the Colt something stem in Ruster top load. Pretty nice. It's actually pretty shit because my bars kept slipping first and I had to do some shit with it. I got the We're the People Mad Max 8.7 rise. Something width, I have no fucking idea, doesn't really matter. Got to roll with the waffle grips all the time in gum. Nice and tasty. As you can see, they're getting a bit dirty. You know, brill. Got the Hawk tyres, Chase Hawk Odyssey. Got the white walls, gotta love them. Like getting a bit of that black texture happening, give it a bit of age. Pretty nice. Running the 2.2 on the back, the 2.4 on the front. You know, gotta have that fat front wheel. It's always good. I'm running Claw 2010 cranks. Lasted me forever. Haven't broken yet, so don't need to replace them. Got the Federal something or other sprocket. I think it's a 28 tooth maybe. No idea. Something like that. Recently just snapped my Colony free coaster wheel. This Colony sucks. And I'm running my original Clark cassette hub back from 2010 or something. Got 4 new Colony plastics. The removable sleeves. Pretty nice. Better watch out for that though. Cause that shit will fuck you up. Got the BSD Ghetto forks. They're also pretty tasty. And while we're here, I've got the Claw front wheel. Match the back one, had that for ages as well. A bit munted there. Colt pedals. Just regular plastics. Gotta love a bit of plastic pedals, you know. They're a dime a dozen, really. Got my Claw hub guard. Nice and chewed up. Got the Colt DAC fat seat, backbone headstem, running it nice and high for them old school cats out there. The frame is a Lucky Strike Mutiny, pretty nice. Raw, red raw. Yeah, I think that's about it. Public crew.
I pulled out this long ring of hair when I had before I shaved the other day. I was just like this, it was like this long ring of hair. Like 6 inches long. It was fucked.
6 inches.